In this video, we are going to see how to create an option panel paper account. To access your accounts, click on the user icon in the top right corner and select Trading Accounts from the drop-down menu. Once there, the first thing you need to know is what these accounts actually are. Option panel paper accounts are standalone accounts, meaning they are not linked to any broker. This means that all the trades you place in them are simulated. Their main advantage is that they let you test trades and strategies without risking real money. In another video, we will go deeper into how to get the most out of them. For now, let's focus on how to create one. One important thing to keep in mind: as soon as you register in Option Panel, you already have a paper account automatically assigned to your user, called Default. You can edit it at any time to rename it or change any of its parameters. Additionally, if your subscription type allows it, you can add more paper accounts. To do so, just click on the Create Account card. Inside the creation form, the first thing you need to do is give the account a name and, optionally, a short description to help you identify it easily. Next, you will see the Fee per Contract field. This represents the commission per contract that will be applied to your simulated trades. The total cost of a fill will be this amount multiplied by the number of contracts. Setting a realistic fee makes your paper account better reflect real-world trading costs and gives you more accurate results. This field is optional. Then we have the Price Mode field. All option panel paper accounts use fair market prices, and this is not configurable. These are real-time prices, algorithmically derived from live market data at every moment. This is a significant advantage over most broker paper accounts, which typically use prices delayed by 15 minutes, making your simulation much closer to real trading conditions. Finally, the initial capital field, which defaults to $1 million, but can be freely adjusted to whatever amount you prefer. Once you have filled in the fields and clicked Save Changes, you will see your new account in the account list, ready to use.